So Geo-Coach's job is to understand the science behind the technology and then simplify it in a way so the farmer can understand what that means and how it applies to his farm. Their job is to work with different layers of information from the equipment, so from application equipment, from harvesting equipment, as well as work with information that comes from the field. And field collected data such as electrical conductivity data, remote sensing information and topography information. And so you know, I'm saying a bunch of fancy words, but really they bring all that together and they simplify it down to a place where they can advise a farmer and make a recommendation on this is what you should do. This is what you should build your management zones with, and this is how you should start changing your farm plans.
Be a little bit on the nerdy side, not too, not afraid of controllers or computers in any way.
Right. A little bit of electronically inclined, hey?
Yeah, and if you don't mind getting stuck with a four-wheel drive every now and again, that helps too.
Well, we we got a lot of patience. You know, we take a little bit of ribbon for being the geeks of agriculture, but we're largely important people and in our role, I guess. So. Yeah, we've got computer skills, obviously. We're younger in generation than some of our counterparts in agrology, right? That's been a little bit more mature of an industry, but yeah, we really share an appreciation for working with the farmers on something that they've never done before, and something that their dads never did before. Okay, so this is something where now we're leading them and giving them advice that they really need help with. You know, our role at AGRI-TREND is largely on the training and the network support. Okay, so you know, right now we're standing in front of a training site, and we bring our coaches together a few times a year and train them on controllers. We train them on data skills. We train them on you know, what to watch out for when we're looking at pieces of information. So all sorts of training events. The network is phenomenal. You know, there's chat happening, phone calls happening. You get to be really good friends with your counterparts. And when push comes to shove in springtime or fall time, when you're implementing that prescription into the controller, everyone's just a phone call away. So AGRI-TREND fosters that type of culture. So. Absolutely. You know, our farmers, because we really work at that strategic planning level, and we're striving for goals long term, they're sticking with us to see those results. And yeah, we get challenged, right? We have guys that put the data to the test and the numbers and the profits to the test. But one thing we're really good at too is adapting. You know, making changes, knowing where maybe we can make some improvements later on. So customer follow-up is really good, and I think, you know, one of our biggest advantages is really getting the customer involved in some of the management decisions on the zones. They know that land the best, and so we get them involved in that regard. So. I think, you know, first and foremost, you got to give me a shout. We got to talk. We need to meet, see eye to eye. You know, just really get to know each other. We've got some technical skills and some tests we can run you through. But if you've got a background in GIS or a background in computer technology and a really good farm interest and agronomy interest, then there can definitely be a fit. So make sure to get in touch with us, and we'll help you grow.